आमकां अशें दिसता की फादराचे तेका कोणेन तरी मारला, तो बुडोन मरोंक शकत ना, कारण तो बरो पेवणार. दुसरी गोष्ट म्हणल्यार आमी प्रायम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया हेका लेटर गेला, होम मिनिस्टर ऑफ इंडिया हाकाय लेटर गेला, चीफ मिनिस्टर ऑफ गोवा आनी चीफ सेक्रेटरी ऑफ गोवा गव्हर्मेंट हांकां आमी लेटरां केल्लीं आसा की ही जे मॅटर जे आसा जे फादर बिस्मार्काचे हे CBI दिवचे. आमी म्हणटा फादर हे व्हडलो पेवणार, फादर बुडोवंकूच शकना, फादर रातीक 12-1 त्या दर्यार वचोंकूच शकना, इन्क्वायरी दिवपाक. बस CBI दिले ना जाल्यार आमी रस्त्यार सरतले, गोंयभर गोंय न्हिदचे ना आमी. आनी आमी गोंयान आख्ख्या गोंयान सांगोंक वतले की ह्या सरकारान आमच्या फादरीक मारलो. CBI जर हेंच्यांनी दिले ना जाल्यार आमी आख्ख्या गोंयभर सांगोंक वतले. जशें RP21 पळय आमी गांवांनी मिटींग केल्ली, तशी आमी गांवांनी मिटींग घेतले.
Investigation has been done. It's a pity that it looks like there was some pressure for the investigation. I would clearly see in that, because the police is delaying. Once the body was ekdam body मेवली पळय तेन्ना पुलिसान आपयले. They came after I think so an hour. Then afterwards, almost 2 hours I think so. One officer was there. Then afterwards they came without even a moral to carry the body. मागीर तेजे भावान दिसतय रिक्षा हाडलो ती बॉडी. It was really a pity state. कित्याक तो एक एक्टिविस्ट न्हू, एक activist who is very much active throughout Goa. And a moment when activist is not there means पुलिसान म्हाका दिसता तेजे पयलो घेवंक जाय इश्यू, जाप करून इश्यू घेवंक जाय कित्याक he is a very important person. That has not happened. That I can clearly say that has not happened. Even that day itself they would have done the search. That paper are केले, marine से search केले, no one searched. There is a few लोग आसलो, they spot on the spot there were people, but the police came and just they disappeared from them, and the people were calling them, but they were not.